Kevin and I have both been to these axe throwing ranges, and they're really fun. You want to make an axe throwing wall? Get some axes, and you basically just throw the axes at wood. We figured we'd give it a spin ourselves. We've got a great little courtyard.
We've got this cool Trex lumber, which is plastic lumber.
Think it would stick?
Negative. And we had a bunch of offcuts and stuff, so we started fooling around with it and discovered that an axe won't stick into it. It'll go into it, make a mark in it, but it falls out.
Why don't we use it in the target? It's like a bogey.
We decided to put our little ring of Trex around. It's kind of like the nice try ring. How many speed holes do you think we're gonna put in our sea can?
We were looking around for materials to throw axes at, so we just took some plywood and then took some deck boards, wrapped the plywood in deck boards, and then fastened them into place on our target.
It's heavy as a church, it's gonna last forever.
Oh my goodness.
We carried it to the other side of the courtyard and put it into position.
Pretty good. Choose your weapon.
Too slow.
What's up? Oldest trick in the book.
You got me.
Hey, it took a few tries to get the axe in the wood. Oh. But once it finally stuck, it felt awesome.
Junior had more of a knack for it than I did.
Unfortunately, I just couldn't seem to stick it into even the real wood.
Now we have a really great axe throwing range at our house. It's super simple, just a piece of plywood, a bunch of boards on it, and an axe.
Oh, the winner.